Hello, I am home from church. Today is Easter Sunday, and I have a couple of verses from the Bible to share. Let us go to 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 56. The sting of death is sin, and the power of sin is the law. But thanks be to God, who gives us the victory through our Lord Jesus Christ. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord, knowing that your toil is not in vain in the Lord. So, fellow brothers and sisters, as we celebrate this day, let us not be discouraged, rather be encouraged that all of the work that we do in the Lord is not in vain. Let us keep going. God bless.